Tanzania's president is allowed to sit among SADC heads of states when she's a product of what everyone has legitimately called illegitimate elections, in which over 1,000 casualties were sustained. How do you sit comfortably and say I'm a president when over or close to 1,000 African lives were spilled? The blood of those youths whatever we do, we must not turn our back on the principle of a government based on the will of the people. It doesn't matter who you are, CCM or ANC, you must, when you rule over us, be based, or your authority must be based on the will of the people.